नदीम अशरफ मेरा नाम है। मैं मेंबर हूँ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर ह्यूमन राइट्स। All this is because of a lack of rule of law. The people are not, number one, aware of what the legal rights are. Number two, even if they are aware, they don't have the resources to go recourse and go to the courts and get justice. And at times it takes years and years. It's very expensive. They can't afford it. And there is an oppression. There is also a lot of pressure from the law enforcement authorities, police, on the victims to not to go forward and plead their case. Actually, the manual touches on a very important aspect of torture by the public authorities while the persons or citizens are in custody. Infliction of torture is against the international covenants. It is against our own law. We have now a Custodial Torture Prevention Act of 2022. So the public functionaries now know that torture is a crime. So you have to use alternate modes of investigation in which torture is not used. Actually, torture is a very deeply entrenched in our subcontinent. It has quite a historical roots, and it is considered to be acceptable that torture, the police authorities or whoever the authorities are will resort to torture. So that is the reason that we need to have train the public functionaries in giving them this knowledge that you can use other modes of investigation. There are the modern concepts which have been, there are Mandela rules, there are Mendes rules, there are international protocols that can be used for investigation. And we want to focus. NCHR strongly believes that torture is a grave violation of human rights. So it's our mandate responsibility that torture is reduced or is not resorted to by the public functionaries while they are detaining lawfully the citizens. My message would be that please have this thing in mind, that torture is a heinous offense. And it is not something which is permissible under the law, number one. Number two is that anyone citizen who is subjected to torture has to suffer mental trauma besides physical trauma throughout his life. And you are ruining the life of hundreds and thousands of people in Pakistan by inflicting torture. And many of them are totally innocent. Even if they have been committed in offense, there is a procedure to prosecute them. And there are courts, there is a punishment provided under the law. So that is very important.